Organizing fitness sessions and client details can get complicated. AppSheet offers a simple way to turn scattered information into one easy-to-use app. Schedules become clear. Sessions can be confirmed or canceled with one tap. Client details stay organized and always ready. The app helps coaches see everything in one place. No need to juggle notes, messages, or multiple tools. Just open the app and manage the day. It is built to save time and reduce stress. Less time on admin work means more focus on training and giving clients a better experience. It's easy to keep everything up to date, anytime and anywhere, without needing to open Google Sheets. Just make changes right in the app on mobile or desktop. All the important data lives in Google Sheets, making it easy to update anytime. AppSheet connects to that data and creates a clean, reliable app experience. This way, managing fitness appointments becomes simple, clear, and much more manageable.
That's it for now. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this. See you in the next video.